Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Netflix games on TV. All right, so let's begin with the video. Keep in mind that not all televisions support this feature, so you'll first need to check if your device is compatible. Start by opening the Netflix app on your smart TV. Once the app loads, you will see the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. This usually includes options like your profile icon, home, TV shows, and movies. If your TV supports Netflix gaming, you should also see a Games tab in this top menu. If the Games option appears, click on it to open the Netflix Games section. This area will display a list of games that are available to play through Netflix. When you select a game, the TV will show a QR code on the screen. If you don't see the Games option in the Netflix app, it likely means your TV model does not support Netflix gaming yet. In that case, you can still play Netflix games on your smartphone or tablet through the Netflix mobile app instead. And that's it. So that's basically how you can play Netflix games on TV. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.